Hey there, in this video, we're going to show you 4 ways to make money by using Chatgpt. First up, you can use Chatgpt to create chatbots for businesses. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, and many businesses are looking for ways to create them. With Chatgpt, you can easily create chatbots that can answer customer queries, provide product recommendations, and even take orders. Second, you can use Chatgpt to create content. As we mentioned earlier, Chatgpt is great at generating high-quality content on a variety of topics. You can use this to create blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks that you can sell online. Third, you can use Chatgpt to create online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can use Chatgpt to create online courses that teach others what you know. You can charge a fee for access to your courses, and because they're powered by Chatgpt, you can be sure that the content is high quality and engaging. And finally, you can use Chatgpt to provide customer service. Many businesses are looking for ways to improve their customer service, and Chatgpt can help. You can use Chatgpt to create a chatbot that can answer customer queries and provide support 24/7. This can be a great way to earn money, as businesses are often willing to pay for this kind of service. So there you have it. 4 ways to make money by using Chatgpt. Whether you're looking to start a business or just earn some extra cash, Chatgpt can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. So why not give it a try today? If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Plus, you'll be helping support our channel and our efforts to bring you more great content. And don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way, you'll never miss an update from us and you'll always be in the loop. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.